Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that once again XRP has reached the resistance of a symmetrical triangle, a very big symmetrical triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it is still trying to break out the resistance of this triangle. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently it is rejected and now the next candlestick is open very close to the resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a nice short rally, but the price could not break out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And this is a quite long-term uptrend line support for this symmetrical triangle. You can see that this support is coming from the month of March 2020, and since then, price is not able to break down this long-term uptrend line support. And now, this support is also breaking at the support of this symmetrical triangle. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XRP that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 20% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XRP that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that XRP formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has pumped almost 20%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of XRP. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside the symmetrical triangle. By the way, the support is quite long-term. That was found here in the month of March 2020. We had a bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce. And this was another bounce. Here, the price was trying to break it down, but could not break it down. Recovered back. Then we had another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that has happened here on 21st of October. And now the price is once again read the resistance of this triangle. By the way, the resistance was found here in the month of July 2023. And now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. For example, if the price then breaks down the support of the triangle, then technical target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 16.5 cents. But in my opinion, it has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart there. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. For example, if the price then breaks it down, then here we also have a key support at 30 cents that was previously breaking as a support here for several weeks a month, and before that had been breaking as a support here and resistance here. And it will be really very difficult for the price then to break it down and drop down up to 16.5 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this triangle, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $1.65. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.